జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
Nada, Rama, what happened? Why are you crying in this auspicious Muhurtam? This is the Muhurtam for your Pattabhishekam. Why are you crying? Why your face is not glowing? Why there are no people around you? Usually people comes along with you while holding umbrellas. Where are they? Why there are no people who are fanning you? Usually people does chamara seva to you. Oh my dear lotus like eyed Rama, your beautiful eyes, your beautiful face, your handsomeness, what happened to that? Why nobody is there around you? Why not people are praising you? There usually so many people around you praising your dynasty, praising your glory, praising your effulgence. Why there is no people around you, Rama? What happened? Like that, Sita Devi got so much shocked, and within that shock, she is asking so many questions. Even while crying, she is asking questions because Rama is crying. Sitamma, after seeing Rama, after noticing there is no happiness in the divine face of Rama, Sitamma got so much shock when Rama started crying. Now Sitamma is asking so many questions while crying. Rama, what happened? Where are the great scholars around you? Why there are no great acharyas around you? Why there are no acharyas who are chanting Veda mantras? Why they are not around you? Why there is no brahmanas around you? Oh Rama, it is usually all the people offer great honeys and ghees upon you for your Pattabhishekam. I don't see any of those arrangements. Why? Where are they? Oh Rama, usually you are always encircled with so many priests and ministers and great people and all the citizens and all the leaders. Why there are no one around you? Why? What happened, Rama? Why there is no chariot coming along with you? Oh Rama, why there is no big elephant? Usually it comes along with you for you to take you upon elephant. Why there is no elephant? Oh Rama, why there is no big simhasanam, beautiful simhasanam? Oh Rama, why there is no bhadrasanam? I don't see any joy, any excitement in your face. Why? What happened? Like this, Sitamma asking so many questions out of shock, and while crying she is asking several questions. Then Rama slowly telling Sita, saying that Itiva vilapantim tam provacha Raghunandanaha. Rama slowly taking Sitamma close to him and saying that Site tatra bhavam stataha pravrajayati mam vanam. Sita, Dasaratha Maharaju, my father sending me to the forest. O Site, dharmagne dharmacharini shrunu janaki. I know that you are so righteous. Sita, I know that you always follow righteous steps. Please listen to me carefully. I am going to tell everything that happened in palace of Kaikamma. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे सीतारामा हे हे सीतारामा. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.